We are Sudden Impact Mobile Windshield Repair. We conveniently travel to your location. It's our absolute honor to have served the Tri-County area for 22 years. We are rock chip repair specialists, second to none. We work with all the major insurance companies. Most will waive the deductible, making our service free to you. We also offer fleet rates for commercial accounts, so if you have a chipped or cracked windshield, repair it rather than replacing. By doing so, you maintain your factory seal and prevent any air or water leaks that occasionally do occur. From the time of your call, quite often we arrive within the hour. All our work carries a lifetime money-back guarantee. Give us a call today. If you own one like that right there, then you want to call somebody like this one right there. Don't let second best lean over your hood. Call Sudden Impact.